Dr. Stephen Schwartz. I am the founder of Bioharmonic Technologies. And if you're watching this video, congratulations on the purchase of your brand new Vibe 3.0 vibrational sound therapy system. Today I'm going to walk you through how to set up your new Vibe 3.1 vibrational sound therapy system, and it begins with the bass. And it's really simple to use. It has these 3 different sections, and there's only 4 screws in the whole thing, and they're located on the top here, the bottom here, and the top here, and the bottom here. And these fold in on themselves. Make sure that everything folds out here completely. And also make sure that these wing nuts are tight. You want to make sure they're completely tight and equally balanced. Make sure to watch your fingers, that they don't get pinched in these little joints. The Vibe mat itself will come folded like this in half. And just know that the way that these are designed, they're made to fold in half, so it's safe. In fact, the wiring inside, there's enough in there where it's created to make sure that you can bend it safely. So if you want to bend it and put it in your closet or move it around in your car, just know that it's super safe and it's encouraged. You can just set it right on top of the bass. Line it up appropriately. And that takes us to the back side here, and this is the appropriate sequential order for setting up your new Vibe vibrational sound therapy system. And we start with your VibraCord, and this is really important. There's a little lever right here that pulls down. Nothing should be forced or pulled. I can't emphasize that enough. And what you want to do is come to the little insert right here and just find where it twists in like this, and then just twist it clockwise until you hear that click. And that's it. Then you're good to go. If you want to undo it, take the trigger and pull it down, and then rotate it counterclockwise and pull it out. If it does not release easily, you're doing it wrong. And these can break if you force them. So once again, in here till it slips all the way in, click, and then that's it. And then pull it down, twist it counterclockwise, pull it out. That's how you insert the custom VibraCord. Now the other side of this, I like hiding the cords. I'm very much interested in that process. And if I turn the amp around, this is a 250 watt amp, and we see red and black. You're going to take the red and the black and put them right into the subwoofer outputs, not over here, but right here. And there's only 2, so they match up. And then the other component of it is going to be the power cord. So the power cord, you want to just make sure that it fits right into the outlet, push it all the way in, and then you want to just plug that into your power supply. And then the only other components that are associated with this are going to be these 2 RCA to 3/4 inch jacks. Once again, red and white. So the red goes in the red, the white goes into the white, and then we have 2 sets of them. Red goes into the red, white goes into the white. They're exactly the same cords, so that's not a problem. However, what you do want to see down here is it says in and out. The in is going to go into your tablet, into your custom Bioharmonic Technologies tablet, and the out is going to go into your headphones jack, which we're going to go over in just a minute. Or if you're going to plug into a speaker, it goes into the out as well too. So in, going into the tablet or any kind of music production input, outgoing to the headphones, speakers, or any kind of output device. And some of the other components back here, you want to make sure that this trigger, that is on music. And then there's this little levels right here. This controls like the internal bass in here, so you can kind of play with that. There's this level indicator down here, and you can turn it all the way to the right or all the way to the left, and that will give you a little bit of extra vibration in the vibrational sound healing vibe system. So keep that in mind. So we just finished setting up your new 250 watt amp that comes with your new Vibe vibrational sound therapy system. The back is all assembled, and this is what the front looks like. So there's a power button here, and when you turn that on, as you see, this is not turning on. So we want to make sure that the power is plugged in, and once that's turned on, hit this button, and now we see the red and the green lights, and then we see phase, low pass filter, and volume. These are your three control panels that you can control the vibrational output with this. There's one other component that comes standard with your vibrational sound system, and it's your headphone amp. And this is going to control autonomous volume through your headphones. So there's a power cord that comes here, and it plugs right into the back. And then the front of this plugs right into your power source. And then you can just put that right on top of your amp. And you want to see the red light on here, so if you turn this off, see the red light goes off, and if you push it in, then the red light is on. That means this is on. And then you see two different components. So that takes us back to the two RCA cords that we plugged in the back. And you have an input and output. You want to make sure that your output RCA plug gets plugged into this audio in part. And as we plug this in, that activates your headphones. And in the other jack, with the adapter that comes with the headphones, you can plug that right into your headphone jack. Right there. And then the headphones are good to go. And the only other component is the in portion. And that plugs right into the accessory port for your custom Bioharmonic Technology tablet. Plug that right in. And then on the side, this is what activates the tablet, this lower button. Hit the lower button, and then you see the Bioharmonic Technologies logo. You can just swipe up, and this activates the tablet. All of the music is found in this music icon, so you click on the button, and it has all of your Bioharmonic Technologies albums listed here. And you can choose from different albums. You can create set lists, which we have not done yet, which I'm going to make for another video. And then you're ready to vibe. And what you want to make sure is that the volume is turned all the way up with the volume control, so the top button. Make sure that's all the way up. And then you want to make sure that this is controlled here. And then you'll feel the vibration. And you are ready to have your very first amazing vibrational experience on your brand new Vibe 3.1 system.